Buddy, Dre Hall here, right? We about to get to so we need Amber G, right? We need Amber G to we're gonna tag Amber G. We're getting people that Sydney, right? We need Sydney or Sid Money, sorry. Let's give Marcus a what's up, Will? Yeah, we're getting to it. We're showing these people the instructions to the information because I can't use my phone right now, so it's hard to communicate. So I figured I'd go live and communicate instead. We're gonna wait for some people to get on here. I can only see on one screen. All right, and I'm gonna take this. Who's Benjamin? I'm just seeing him. Okay, we're gonna take this. What's up, Brett? We're gonna go over this status right here. It's 2020. You can earn $50 for every $18 you put into action. Make money daily. Say me and learn how to make $500 daily. So it is actually 100% free to start with. What I'm talking about in this video. So let's go over. The company's name is Lavelle Rewards. Okay. It works by it's a credit-based system. Credit-based, which means your work is transferred into credits. Now you exchange these credits for $5 per credit, right? So as the status says, make $50, you're actually going to be getting 10 credits. What's up, everybody? I can only see you guys when I'm on this screen. Right, so we're going to log into Lavelle Rewards. If you guys need right, message me to get my referral link. If I could remember my wow. Okay. I don't really think it's this. Okay, there we go. So we're logged in. Whew, that was a close one. Yeah, so we got Brett. pretty much, right, I post this status on Facebook. You can earn $50 for every $18 you put into action. Make money daily, save me, and learn how to make 500 daily. So if you bring people through your Lavelle Rewards, how you do that is you get a referral link, right? I'm gonna drop this below now. I like sign up link 3 as it's straight to the point. Right. I like this sign up link. You know, it's straight to account registration. All right, so you got your account, say you're on level 10, right? What do? You assume my position. Essentially, you're gonna be showing your friends where you spend your money at. You're gonna put $9 in your friend's account to buy the LifeLock offer, and another $8 for them to buy the Sirius XM radio. So you protect your friends online, you know, and you give them some music outside of the car. And that, as you can see, the credit value, 550 plus 4.25 equals 9.75. Every referral that makes it to level 5 on day 1, you receive a free bonus level. So you actually get 10.75 credits for $18, or your friend will, right? And then you'll have $50 waiting for you to cash out. So pretty much it's simple math. You know, it's multiplication. You know, you could base how much you could do on this based off. Let me show you how you start for free, right? So you see, there's Hulu, there's all these other offers. Create your account, you register and play some free games and get credits. You know, you don't need a credit card to do that, right? There's Harvestland iOS. I actually played some other stuff. I'm gonna go in here and play some of these games though, and you know, get some more credits. You know, there's no reason not to get free credits, because these free credits, you know, if someone comes and beats the game too through you, you know, you could get credits that way. The game that I played was these casino apps, right? These casino apps, you play the game, but you set it up to auto spin itself. You know, so if you don't got $18 to get started, right? Here's 2 apps right here: Huge Casino Android, Billionaire Casino Android. 3.25 credits. You have one person beat both these apps to level 100, you make $15, right? Now you really only need $9. You really only need to establish $18 net worth, right? That's what you really need. You need an $18 net worth, because, you know, if you spend this money, right, you're not losing it. You're really turning it into $50. That's what's really happening. This opportunity is real. I have been paid. Let's go over some proof, right? Payments, right? 145, guys. That's not a lot of money. It's definitely not enough money to lie about. Right, here goes the proof down here in different increments. You can add this all up if you want and see if it equals 145. You know, this is just, I hit the refresh button. You can't, you know, it's too time consuming to make up this much information. So, you know, who wouldn't want to buy $50 with $18, right? Now, how many times does 50 divide by 18? You could do it 2 more times, right? Let's minus $36 because we want to make $100 more. This leaves us with $14. You know, bring the 36 down here is what we'll be using. That turns into a easy $100. That's just 3 times. You know, that you spent your $18. You turned it right back into $100 plus your 14. Now, how many times? Let's bring up the calculator. Right, we'll take 114 divided by 18. 6 was 6 times 50. $300. 18 times 6, 108. So we'll start this all board with 114. Right, guys, you could scale up your money so easily. Then what you do with this money is up to you. You know, you could keep scaling it up. So we'll start with 114 minus 108 because that's what we're investing. This 108 is going to make us 300 plus our $6 from here, $306. That's from $18. Right? It's actually from a free method. Now, if you don't have 18 to get started, right, get the free apps, you know, but if you want to get to this plan faster where, you know, because this is doable, what I just showed you on this board is doable in a day, right? It's just about, you know, that 2 to 3 days. It's really faster than 2 to 3 days. It's really only 1 day. When Lavelle Rewards pays you out, I say 2 to 3 days because I happen to request a payout on a Friday, you know, and then the business days slowed me down. But, you know, it could be 1 day. But that's all doable work in a day. But what I would start with is start with the system. You know, if you could convince you know, your wife or your husband, your significant other, whatever, to get Hulu, you know, that's 2 credits that opens up this opportunity for you. Now, you know, have one of your friends get Hulu. You spend $6 more to buy your friend Hulu. Now you have the $10 to start spending $10 for your friends to do LifeLock. Now you have, you know, when you do Hulu, you know, that same friend could do LifeLock. But you want to get these credits first and your account up to that value. So the easiest way to do that is to have $9, right? Get your LifeLock offer. You get 6.50 credits. Well, 6.5 credits, you know, that's $9. Spend $9, the 18 still, right? You spend 18, you spend 9 on yourself, then 9 on somebody else, and you make $30. Now do Sirius XM. Now have your same friend, pay your same friend to do Sirius XM again, because, you know, they just can't do, you know, you can't do LifeLock twice. You can't do Sirius XM twice. You can't refer someone that lives in the same household as you. So we're on Facebook. We got friends on Facebook where we meet the requirements very easily. We don't live in the same household. We have $18, or they don't have $18, and we have $18 to help them get started. Either way, right? By that I mean, you know, you get a rebate. Now that's it, guys. It's pretty simple. You just buy these. It's as simple as going into a grocery store and, you know, you tell your friend, listen, this food, LifeLock, right? Buy this food for $9. It makes you money. Buy this Sirius XM for $9. It makes you money. And yeah, show someone else how to buy this food, and you're gonna make the money. So this video is in reference to this status right here. It's 2020. You can earn $50 for every $18 you put into action. Make money daily. Say me and learn how to make $500 daily. What's up, Carlson? Thanks for stopping by. Jim, thanks for stopping by. Edgar, thanks for stopping by. Imad Ibrahim Hussein, thanks for stopping by. Amber, Sid Money, Marcus, Yetta, and Brett. This is the information you requested. I'm gonna put this in your inbox. I did it in a video because it was just easier, because I don't have a phone on me to be relaying the voice messages, and I'd rather not type back and forth. Thank you for stopping by, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and get off a live, drop some emojis for y'all real quick. Right, we partying today. It's Friday. Put on let's put the party stuff there. My name is Dre Hall, guys. I'll see you on the next video.